Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use OBS with Zoom so you can make your meetings, classes, or live presentations look way more professional. It's actually simpler than it sounds, and I'll walk you through everything step by step. And before we start, please subscribe to the channel if you find this helpful. It really supports my work. First, make sure you have both OBS Studio and Zoom installed on your computer. You can download OBS for free from the official OBS website. And make sure you have the latest version of Zoom installed as well. Once everything's installed, open OBS Studio. Here, you'll create the visual setup that you want to show in your Zoom meeting. In OBS, look for the sources box at the bottom. Click the plus icon to add your sources. This could be your webcam, a display capture to show your entire screen, or a window capture to share a specific app. You can also add images, videos, or even text overlays to make your presentation look more dynamic. Everything you see in OBS's preview window is exactly what Zoom will display once you connect them. Take your time to arrange your sources and adjust their layout until you're satisfied. Now, it's time to connect OBS to Zoom. Go back to OBS and click Start Virtual Camera from the controls on the right side. This activates the OBS Virtual Camera, which acts like a regular webcam that Zoom can detect. Next, open Zoom and sign in. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then go to Settings. Inside Settings, click on Video, and under the Camera drop-down menu, select OBS Virtual Camera instead of your regular webcam. That's it! When you return to the Zoom main window or start a meeting, you'll see your OBS setup appear as your camera feed. Whatever you show in OBS, whether it's your desktop, presentation slides, or even a custom background, will now stream directly to Zoom in real time. To stop using OBS, simply go back to OBS Studio and click Stop Virtual Camera. Zoom will automatically switch back to your regular webcam, and that's how you use OBS with Zoom to take your meetings and live sessions to the next level with professional visuals and custom layouts. If you found this tutorial useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides and Zoom tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.